Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best self-cleaning litter boxes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the ScoopFree Ultra Self-Cleaning Litter Box. This is one of the most effective automatic self-cleaning litter boxes in the market. At first, you may not be convinced that this unit can self-clean. This probably why I never gave much thought about it. However, once you see it in action, you will be amazed by how such a simple thing can maintain such good hygiene. It features a simple rake and a primary mechanism that clears the mess as per your setting, and you can set the interval as you deem for. And to ensure there is no odor, the unit features crystals that absorb the urine and is said to be 5 times more effective than other options. Moving on, at number 4, we have the self-washing self-flushing cat box. Just as the name suggests, this is the CatGenie that clears the poop and cleans the litter box without being seen. It is based on a superior system that automatically flushes the waste, and after doing so, it cleans itself. This ensures that the environment, as well as the cleaning tool, is spotless and the chances of the residue remaining on the flushing system are minimal. One thing that attracts me to this unit is that it comes with granules that encourage the cat to dig and then cover afterward. This design encourages the cat to relieve itself rather than shying away because of a hard surface. At number 3, we have the open-air self-cleaning litter box. Having owned the Litter Robot 3 for more than 1 year, I can, without doubt, say it's among the best self-cleaning litter boxes in the market. It serves my 2 felines and never seems to get filled up even after 1 week thanks to its large size and capacity. The cats enter and leave the unit very convenient since they always find it clean. Other than easy entry, the large entry also improves the cleaning process. It still looks pretty new despite having been used for more than 1 year. This is because of the high-quality construction and materials that resist wearing, tear, scratches, rust, corrosion, and it's yet to fade. At number 2, we have the Paw Self-Cleaning Litter Box, Pewter. Your hunt for the best self-cleaning litter boxes in the market will end after you acquire this unit from Omega Paw. I helped my neighbor discover it a few months ago, and he says that it's one of the most user-friendly and effective automatic litter boxes he's ever used. First, it comes with a decent capacity to accommodate large quantities of solid waste. Second, it doesn't run on electricity, and this keeps it going even in areas where there is no electricity. Thirdly, the cat-friendly accessory is suitable for cats of different ages and sizes. Fourthly, he loves the pull-out trays that make disposal easy. One thing I can say is that it's the simplest to assemble. We managed to put it together within 2 minutes. And finally, at number 1, we have the ScoopFree Self-Cleaning Litter Box. The first time I saw this automatic self-cleaning litter box, I thought that the cat was yet to relive itself. It's only after my friend told me it had that I got a bit curious. Sure enough, it had done it not once but severally. However, because of the hidden trap and the unique cleaning mechanism, the solid waste was held in a hidden place. The holding space was pretty large and could accommodate a large volume without getting filled easily. And to contain the odor, the unit features crystals that absorb the odors as well as urine. Other reasons that make the PetSafe unit one of the best self-cleaning litter boxes include a simple design, easy to operate, hygienically styled, and durable. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.